Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey there, have you ever seen a computer write a story, draw a picture, or even make music? Sounds like magic, right? Well, that's what generative AI does. It's like a super smart robot that can create things just like humans. But how does it do that? And why is it so powerful? Let's find out. What is generative AI? Imagine you have a robot friend. You ask it to tell you a funny joke and it comes up with one on the spot. Or you describe a superhero and poof, it draws one for you. That's generative AI. Unlike normal AI, which just answers questions or gives suggestions, generative AI creates something new, like writing a story, making music, or even designing video game worlds. Here are some cool examples. ChatGPT and Google Bard. These are AI chatbots that can talk to you, help with homework, or even write poems. DALL-E and Midjourney. These AIs can turn words into pictures. For example, if you type a flying car in space, they will create an image of it. GitHub Copilot. This AI helps programmers write code, like a digital assistant for coding. Cool, right? But how does it actually work? Let's dive in. How does generative AI work? Generative AI is built using something called neural networks. These work like a tiny brain inside a computer that learns by looking at lots of data. The most powerful ones today are called transformer models, like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Here's how it works step by step. 1. Learning from data. The AI looks at millions of books, images, or songs to understand patterns. 2. Understanding patterns. Just like you know that most fairy tales start with once upon a time, AI learns how stories, pictures, and music are structured. Creating something new. When you ask it for something, it doesn't copy from memory. It mixes and matches patterns to create something completely fresh. Imagine you read 100 superhero comics. If someone asks you to invent a new hero, you won't copy one. You'll take ideas from everything you learned and create your own. That's what AI does too. Why is generative AI important? Now, why do we even need AI that can create things? Content creation. AI helps writers, artists, and designers make new content faster. Education. It can explain difficult topics, summarize books, or even act as a tutor. Healthcare. AI is helping doctors by analyzing medical images and even suggesting new medicines. Gaming and movies. AI can generate game characters, design levels, and even create deepfake effects in movies. So now you know that generative AI is like a super smart artist and writer that learns from data and creates new things. But guess what? Some AIs don't just create, they can also think and take actions. These are called AI agents, and in the next episode we'll explore how they work. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.